Hi, my name is Brian Johnson and I'm involved in product development for Mirka Abrasives. This is Syros, Mirka's compact electrical random orbit sander. Immediately you can see the benefits of this machine, its size. It only weighs 950 grams as the transformer is separate from the sander. It runs off either 240 volts with this cable or 110 volts on this cable. It's very light, very portable, so when you're sanding ceilings or walls, you can work a lot longer and a lot more efficiently.
Syros is a revolutionary sander. It is powerful yet light. The dust extraction and compact light sander makes working at height a completely different experience. Whether you are a tradesman or a keen DIYer, working with the Syros sander makes your job easy and clean. The Syros is the smallest, most powerful sander in its class. Its powerful 400-watt motor will tackle even the toughest of sanding jobs. Its simple controls allow you to set your sander constantly anywhere between 4,000 and 10,000 RPM to work faster with better control for a perfect finish. It sands efficiently with virtually no dust, using Mirka's patented Abranet sanding discs, saving you huge amounts of time and effort. There's also a sanding block for those hard-to-reach areas, or if you want the dust extraction without the powered sanding.
Okay, if we take a look at conventional product used in the marketplace today, we have the no-hole product, sometimes 6, sometimes 7, or even 15. The problem with a conventional product, or the Me Too product as we call it is a paper with the abrasive bonded onto the surface. So the dust is only going to be taken away through a certain amount of holes, so you get a lot of build-up in the working environment. The other problem is it's clogging and loading on the surface of the disc, and this leads to a reduced life of the product. So we take it off and we change it, and we have to use a lot more product. If we look at Mirka's Abranet, it's a unique and innovative product. Basically, it's a polyamide net coated with abrasive, and we have some 10,000 plus holes on this disc. Immediately, the benefits are the dust passes through the disc and into the extraction unit, so we get a lot less contamination in the working environment, but we also get a lot longer life of product due to the fact that it will not clog onto the surface.
With Abranet, Mirka has succeeded with something where many others have previously failed: to develop a completely even sanding net. A sanding net with thousands of holes provides phenomenal dust extraction. The maximum distance from each sanding particle to the closest dust extraction hole is just 0.5 millimeter. Abranet's clever construction provides an amazing advantage. Because the dust is being continuously sucked away, sanding is almost completely dust-free. And when the abrasive and the sanding surface are constantly kept dust-free, the lifespan of the abrasive is extended far beyond any other sanding solution.
First of all, we're going to put on the interface pad, and this will allow us to follow the curvature, so we're not actually hard sanding on the wall. This will go through in and out the curves. So we basically line it up onto the sander, and then we take the Abranet disc, put the Abranet disc onto the surface of the sander, and that's ready to go. Okay, actually, as you can see with extraction, it looks like it's not cutting because we've got no dust at all. All the dust has been taken through the 10,000 holes on the disc and through into the extraction unit, so we've got virtually dust-free sanding. Let's now disconnect the extraction unit and have a look at the amount of dust we can create when we haven't got it connected up. But it's immediately obvious, the dust is everywhere. It's all over the floor, it's all over me. You can see it lining the skirting boards down here. It's covering everything.
Whether you use 240 or 110 volts, industrial dust extraction or a conventional vacuum, Syros simply plugs in and extracts the dust, leaving you with a dust-free surface and a dust-free environment. Not only does this protect your own health and saves you tidying up afterwards, but also ensures you have happy customers each and every time. Job done.